Hello guys, this is Tias Panuntun. I'm come from Group 8 and I will presenting about augmented reality games and learning language. So, without any further ado, let's start our presentation. Okay, our group has three members, myself and then Wulan Triana, and then also there is Heni Azhara. So the presentation will be divided into four content table. The first is of course about introduction of augmented reality games, and then the second content is the study, and the third is findings, and the last of section is about our conclusion. As we know, nowadays teaching on learning language process multiply into several kind, like doing quizzes online with quizzes application or Kahoot and the other. So millennial generation such as us and the teacher usually spend their time in front of gadgets. So the augmented reality games become one from the other kind of learning process, because the augmented reality game also doing by doing by online too. So why augmented reality game choose become favorite favorite type of learning process? Now we will discuss about it. As a part of mobile learning or online learning, augmented reality games or AR technique has potential to be facilitate or to facilitating learning through through enjoyment over learning tasks, engagement, and also motivation. AR simulation or augmented reality simulation could provide language learner with intrinsically motivating games, uh, whether formal or informal.
Hello, I'm Heni Azara. I will present the study chapter. I'm sorry I didn't use the camera because there was a technical error and it looked like the error was from my laptop. Okay, let's continue on the study chapter. The study. Intrinsic motivation inventory are AMI, first designed by Ryan in 1982. AMI is a multidimensional measurement device that intends to assess participant subjective experience related to a target activity. The instrument assesses participant interests or enjoyment, perceived competence, effort, value, or usefulness, thought pressure and tension, and perceived choice while performing a given activity. The interest or enjoyment circles is considered the self-report measure of intrinsic motivation. Game generation of today is highly interested in playing computer or video games. This interest has led educators to embed games into their teaching because good games have become a model of 21st century learning. The same principles that games used to hook learners on anything worthwhile. Each game was designed by using an ER application or Aurasma. This application allows users to create to view ER experience by pointing the mobile device at a trigger, a photo or object that has an aura interactive experience featuring an animation, video, or image attached to it. Once the user hovers their mobile device over the triggering object, the aura pops up on their phone screen.
Three findings. Descriptive statistics were used for the first research question, which looked in the EFI learners' attitudes towards their experience regarding AR-based learning materials. Thank you. Regarding the results of research on the attitudes of EFI students towards their experience in AR-based learning materials, most of them give positive response to AR learning materials. For example, the table below. Thank you. For conclusion, in this modern era, the development of learning is very innovative, one of which is by utilizing the internet such as quizzes and games for learning media or assignment. With the internet, we spend more time on gadgets. In addition, with the internet, learning becomes more effective and practical. Learning using the internet, for example, augmented reality. Augmented reality is a technology that combines digital information such as video, image, and audio visual into the real-world space. Augmented reality simulation provides an intrinsical, motivating games experience. Unexpected challenge and partner fun can result across boundaries between formal and informal. The intrinsic motivation in Fan Story IMI was designed by Ryan in 1982. The multidimensional mission goal for assessing participant subjective experience related to target activities. Thank you. In my opinion, in this modern era, students prefer learning by using online application or games, but in my opinion, online learning activities have many problems, one of which is that students are lazy to socialize and like inside 100 of students forget their surroundings and focus on using gadgets.